Hello, welcome back. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on using OneNote as electronic notes for your classes, which I highly recommend doing for my class and probably all of your classes. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first step is you want to get to your Office 365 portal. Remember, if you're on any other Office page, you can get to it by clicking this little symbol here, which takes you to all the different apps. And we're going to go today to this OneNote app. Once you get there, yours will probably be empty. I have a lot of notes because I've been using this for a while, but I'm going to go ahead and go to my notebooks. So this is what you see when you go to the notebooks section. I've made some practice notebooks just so you can see what this would look like. But when you want to make a new notebook, you click new notebook and you can title it whatever for whatever your class is. So let's say you have art, we'll create an art notebook. I'm going to go ahead and click on this English 11 notebook that I made just to kind of show you some of the features and how this would be used. Already created a lot of sections and pages in this notebook, as you can see. For the sections, in order to create a new section, you click down here, add section, and you can create these to be whatever you want. I would recommend organizing them by topic. So let's say maybe for this section, we want to just talk, let's say for this section, we want to title it homework. And this is a place where you can write down instructions or anything for any homework or asynchronous assignments you have. Click OK, and then it pops up. I recommend making at least these 3 sections if you're in AP, rhetorical analysis, synthesis essay, and argumentative essay. Those are going to be 3 major topics that we go throughout the year. But as we go, you'll see those. I also made a handout section where you can insert a lot of different documents that I give you. So I preloaded the syllabus onto this OneDrive notebook, as you can see. And here's kind of what it could look like. I'm going to pretend like this is class notes and be editing it just so you can see some of the features that are available here. But just so you know, when you want to make a new page, you click new page and you title it. So maybe you were in the class notes and you want to make a new page, and maybe it's literally just by that day. Like these are our 8/13/20 notes. And then when I tell you that these notes are going to be on the rhetorical appeals, you can call it appeals. And then you can start typing your notes here in class. Just so we have a document to play with though, I'm going to go back to my syllabus handout. So here's the syllabus, and here's how I want to show you how this can work. That can be really effective in my opinion. So let's say that you see some notes and you know that this is really important, like your teacher highlights this many times. I might want to highlight this and then I can tag it over here as being important, and a little star will pop up next to it. That's one tag. However, there are other tags you can make, like a question that you want to remember later, or maybe it's a definition. Anything like that. Of course, you can always highlight anything you want by just clicking on this little highlighter, and there's a bunch of different colors you can use, totally up to you. So using those tags is a really good way to find that information for later when you want to, when you know it's something that you need to remember or something like that. I could put this even like remember for later. And it will organize that information in different colors for you and different ways to do it. So that's probably the most useful feature here. But another thing I want to show you that you can actually do on any document, any website, anywhere, is if you click Control F for Control Find, you can type in any word there or group of words there, and it will find wherever those are in the syllabus. So I'm going to type in the word reading, because let's say I know Miss Colley said something about reading, but I can't remember, whatever. I want to search in my notes, click enter, and then it's telling you that there's 14 places that the word reading pops up in the document, and it will highlight all of those every time that word is used within a document. So a little pro tip, you can use this for any document, including a website, an online resource that your teacher gives you, or anything like that, just to quickly find stuff, find materials. So that's probably a really good benefit for using online notes. Plus, you can go in and alter anything later if you know that it's really important. Maybe you want to provide an extended definition, or your teacher goes back to it later, anything like that. That can be a really good way to organize your work. So hopefully that helps. I guess one more thing I'll show you, you can put links in here if you want to. So like if I want to insert, there we go, put links in here. So if I want to insert a link, I can hit insert, and then I can insert any of these things into my form. So let's say I just want it to be a link, and I know this was the syllabus. Here's the link to it, insert, and then it will show you, you can click on that and it will take you to that document, which was, in this case, I linked just the syllabus again. You can also use it if you click this feature here for math. It will help you type out symbols for math that are kind of hard to type. To be honest, I don't know that much about using this feature, given that I'm an English teacher, but I'm sure your math teachers are giving you tips for how to do that also if you want to. So I hope that helps you to organize and just have some new tips and tricks up your sleeve to keep all of your material online if you so choose. Thanks, guys. Bye.